I got all 30 closed up. There was 30 holes in here. We're gonna go through them, look at all the spots. So this is one room, the master. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. We had another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in here. Then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over here. All the holes closed up. 9. And then another 2 right there. That's 11. Some more over here. We hit another area right here. So everything got the first coat on there, and the holes are closed. At another time, they'll put the second coat and add knockdown texture. And yes, we did move furniture. All this furniture, we had to move it out the way. And just to check my work area, it's clean. It's cleaned up, nothing's on the floor. We swept up. Inside's all clean. My outside work area, I wash off the floor. And the work areas are clean.